Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review LeadRocks. Now, what is LeadRocks? LeadRocks is a reliable B2B contact database by which you can collect the targeted leads, suppose emails, phone number, LinkedIn profiles of your prospects. So you can collect high quality leads for your hyper targeted outreach in just a few click by using this tool basically. And you are getting here LeadRock prospecting, LeadRock enrichment feature, and LeadRock list feature. I will explore all these feature guys after some time. Just stay with me. But before that, if you see their lifetime deal pricing, see this is their lifetime deal pricing, and the lifetime deal pricing is only 49 USD for one code. And if you stack one more additional code for every additional code, you will get 5,000 monthly credit. So these are the things guys, and on this code one you will get basically 5,000 credit. Now how this credit will be calculated I'll explore and I'll show you after some time. So these are the things, and see they have been launched their lifetime deal a few days ago, and within this time they have gotten 4 reviews, and our reviews are almost 5 stars. See, and this person is saying well, this person has bought 334 deals from AppSumo. After that, this person is saying worthwhile email scraper. This person is saying Nike or pretty straightforward tool that does what you expect. And then this person is also saying that the tool is good. So these are the things guys, I hope you get a basic idea. Now we will explore this tool, and I hope then you will get a complete idea about this tool. So without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of LeadRock and let's explore what have inside their dashboard. But before that, one thing I want to mention guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group, you are cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now this is the dashboard that you will get whenever you will sign up on LeadRock. And see, the tool is very straightforward. It will do what you expect only. See, there have only 4 options: prospecting, enrichment, lists, and credits. The main feature is this prospecting basically. Now how you can be helped by using this tool: suppose you have a business. This business targeted customers are software engineers of a specific company. Suppose the company name is Google, and the country, so you can specify a specific country also from here. Suppose I'll give here USA or United States. And then industry, you can select any industry if you want. I'm not selecting. And team size you can also select. Suppose I'll select 501 to 1000, and then just search it. So they're saying no people here yet by using this filter option. Suppose I will remove this team size, and then if I search now, see, these are the persons who are software engineer at this specific company and at this specific country. See, these are the things. Now, see here in this top right corner, you will see the number of credit you have. And now I will explore how this credit will be calculated. See here, you cannot see the LinkedIn account of this person. You cannot see the complete email of this person, but in free way you can see the Facebook page link of the company. You cannot see his personal data. Now suppose you want to see his LinkedIn account, or you want to get his email ID. So in this way this credit will be calculated. See, now I have 49 credits. But if I select this one, and then suppose I'll select 3 persons from here, and then if I click here open and save selected, then all the data of these persons will be open and selected, and from this 49 credit their 3 credits will be gone. So these are the things guys. So suppose I'll open, let me click here open and save selected, and then here have a lot of list. So you can create your own list. Suppose I'll create another list. See, I have already 3 lists here. Suppose the list is video purpose, and then just click here save. So this person's leads will be saved to this list. Anyway guys, see the information or leads of these persons are now open. Now you can see the LinkedIn account of this person. See, this is the LinkedIn account of this person. So I hope you get the idea. This person is working on Google, and you can now see his email. See, this is his email. So you can use this tool just for collecting email, also for your cold email outreaching. There have Facebook option, so you can see the Facebook account also maybe, but they're saying the page is not available, but LinkedIn is available, I think. So if I click here on this LinkedIn, so see, this is the LinkedIn of this person, but as I'm not logged in on LinkedIn, I cannot see, maybe that's why. But okay, let me open the LinkedIn account of this person. Let's see what happened. See, I can see the LinkedIn account of this person. So these are the things, guys. This is the whole idea behind this tool. And see, I have been open 3 persons data, and now the total credit I have is 46. That means 3 credit has been gone. So these are the things. In this prospecting option, in this similar way, you can collect unlimited number of data or leads by using this tool, but on code one you will get 5000 credit per month basically. So you can collect 5000 leads per month, but if you need more, you have to stack more code from here. I hope you get the idea, guys. Now, then there have enrichment option. Now what this enrichment option will do, suppose you already have some leads, so you can now upload these leads here, and then you can store your leads data here on this list. See, there have some list I have been created, this 4 list. You can create unlimited number of list, and you can see all the data of these persons from this list. And if you upload any of your leads data here, this leads data also will be uploaded here on this list section. So I hope you get the idea, guys. The tool is very straightforward, but the tool is very helpful to collect leads basically, and I think it will be helpful for cold email outreach. But if you have another use case, then you can also use this tool. I hope you get the idea, guys, about this tool. The tool is very straightforward, but the tool is very useful. So guys, if you think you need this type of tool for your business, then you can get this lifetime deal from AppSumo. The pricing of this deal is only 49 USD, but you can get 10% discount on this pricing also. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. Also, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business, and join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, then please consider subscribing this channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.